Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Happy for you all. Welcome to new subscribers. If you came across the channel and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for new videos. I have a series of playlists with different other crafts like paper towel and DIY miniature houses. You are welcome to browse the playlist. Thank you for watching, and let's get into it. Today I have two awesome products from Paintsomeway. They contacted me and they wanna to do a product review. These are gonna be a knocker. The first one is these beautiful sock, Christmas socks. I have another one, Christmas Stocking Santa Claus. That's number one. It's a series of Christmas stockings. There's the Santa Claus with the tree. And this one has, here is the pages, 4 pages that you can use to do the cross stitch. I'm sorry, got frozen right there. Full stitch have 30 colors. It has 2 French knots, which I usually use beads, and it has about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 back stitches. Okay, it's 130 by 190 stitches wide. Height. Here it is. Here's the back stitch. It's 4 pages. Here it is, so you can see it without the glare. So let's take a look at the canvas, and we take a look at the floss later. Here it is. It's a 27 by 37. It has the product number, the name of the canvas. It tells you the number of stitches, 130 wide by 198 height. It has the symbol. The symbols over here are not the same on the chart. Okay? Here it is. It's a lot of color blocking. So this one should be an easy one. Since this is in another language, I will do it as a color block. Sorry about that. That's my alarm. I will do the complete color block over here, or I'll try to write Merry Christmas on it. Okay, so here it is. Look at how the clarity of those symbols. Nothing to confuse you. Nothing. Beautiful. A whole bunch of color blocking. Here are the symbols at the bottom of the canvas with the DMC code. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. This is a beautiful and easy to stitch. 30 colors. So let's take a look at the canvas, at the floss. It's gonna be a lot of blues, a lot of green. Here you get the 2 standards needle from Joy Sunday, and here are all those beautiful colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. Look at those blues. Let me show you this way. Here it is. Let me get you down here. Oh, come on, hocus pocus focus. Here it is. Beautiful greens. We're gonna take a look at this. Different blues. And this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful canvas. Let me put it aside. For later on. Now to the next one. The next one is a knocker. I love this one. Take a look at this. Let me get it out of the package. Let me get the whole thing out of the package. Guess what? This is it. This is silk, or as some of them call it, polyester silk. This is an 11 count at 50 by 68. Look at these gorgeous flowers. Look at those colors, like a Victorian style. Ah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's take a look at this. Ha! We're gonna take a look at these flowers. Ooh, we got an extra too. An extra package. We're gonna take a look at that later on. Let's see what we got over here. Where is my needles? Oh, we got 2 needles in the canvas. We got the set of instructions. We got a nice booklet. So you can do it as a counter cross stitch if you want to do it. Let's see how many colors this will have. This one has 40 colors, and there is no backstage. It's just plain 40 colors. 40 colors, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 frames. It doesn't have a frame picture, but and the symbols are quite readable, so you can, if you get confused, you can go by here in the colors. This is a nice booklet, nice booklet, and the nice picture that came with it. Take a look at this. And this is a sticker for your book. So let me see. Let's take a look at this. We have the 2 needles at the top over here. Oh, the canvas is stiff. It is serged all around for our convenience. Okay. Here it is. It's all serged. And here it is, a 40 color. It doesn't tell me. It's 180 stitches wide by 250 height. And like I said, it's a 50 by 68 centimeters. Take a look at this. This is gonna be gorgeous to put on a wall. Gorgeous. This doesn't have a kit, so But take a look at all the blocking. Ah, I cannot fit this in here. 40 colors. Take a look at the clarity of the symbols. You got the symbols over here. Now, something that I want to explain about these blocking symbols. Instead of putting one symbol, right, they just put it like a block of whole bunch of them. I mean that's the symbol that you should find, which is this one. Okay, they just take a block and put it as a block for easy to find how each symbol, how the symbols are gonna look together. So that's this one over here. So that's how this color block symbol works. And you have the clarity of the numbers. All around it. Even the smallest one. Which help you. This is a beautiful canvas. Beautiful. It's stiff, very stiff. But this is, for what I understand, the new white Ida cloth. Now, to the silk. Look at this. We got extra. We have 3. Take a look at this. Beautiful silk. It's so soft. So soft. You have to use a lot of beadwax for this. Beautiful, 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 beautiful silk. Those are extras. Hopefully probably for the background. Let's put it back in here. But this is kind of a type of polyester silk. Oh, take a look at this. Take a look at this. Take a look at this, boys. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Beautiful. And it's so soft. So soft. So you take one of this and you pull 3 strands. And this one is even easier. But you have to be careful. You have to, yeah, also comes on 6 strands. You have to wax it. You have to wax it. You have to be careful that you don't come across those colors. Let me pull this one. Oh my God. Take a look at this. Let me fix this a little bit. Take a look at this. Let's take a look at this like this first. Oh, beautiful. This is awesome. Thank you, Paintsomeway, for these beautiful, gorgeous kits. Oh, I'm loving it. Paintsomeway is a store that has diamond painting, cross stitch, and you can get the toolkits. I don't remember whether they have another craft. I can get it for you. I'm going to put the link at the bottom. Take a look at these colors all together. All together. Take a look at these gorgeous purple and rose. And look at these reds and brown. Look at this one is frayed. You have to be very, very careful. Take a look at these ones. This is beautiful, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous thread. and this one too. And you saw the extras one. So this is beautiful. I'm gonna try to put it in a way that doesn't get too, you know, frayed. Although they put the thread separately. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave you over here with this. Thank you for watching. These are gorgeous kits. Thank you, Paintsomeway, for all these beautiful kits. Okay, and don't forget to hit the like button and comment below. And don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.